What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharon and I'm going to demonstrate how to pitch someone's voice. So let's dig in to see what I've got for you.
So we have two panels in Premiere Pro. The top panel is to do editing, and the below panel is just to save anything we want to. So for now I'm going to use pitch shifter, and I just found it in this panel from the effects section. Now I'm going to change my voice thicker, and for the second part I'm going to change it to a thinner voice. And one more thing that I didn't mention is to just use the razor tool here to just cut video line, so you can work on it in this panel without, like, mixing up everything. So now I'm going to see what I've got. Like, I got like thicker voice and thinner voice.
So let's dig in.
So this is all done for now, and I'm going to use the same pitch for binaural effects. Also can make the soundtrack binaural by using the same effects. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna choose pitch shifter and change sense. For the first part I'm going to change it to -100, and for the last part I'm going to change it to 100. But the thing is, when you change it from -100 to 100, you will have a thicker voice all the way to a thinner voice, and the sound will go back and forth. It's like from one ear to another. Let's see what I've
What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharon and I'm going to demonstrate how to pitch someone's voice. So let's dig in to see what I've got for you.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Thanks everyone.